morning, guys. Well, that was certainly a way to open the vlog. Morning, let's address the elephant in the room. I got bangs. Yes, feel like a new woman. Renaissance Jasmine. I'm gonna put you down a little bit though. So I'm about to, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit subscribe. That was a long breath. But we are out of coffee, so I'm going to walk down to Tim Hortons. And since Elsa will be super jealous because I'm walking, I will come back for her and then go for a walk back the same way, the same route to Canada Post to hopefully pick up some packages and then go to the beach with her because my classes got canceled this morning and I have lots of time, but we are out of coffee. So let's get that first. I feel very awake for somebody who has not had any caffeine. Anyways, let's go. I also got these new slippers yesterday at Winners and they're so fluffy. And don't they just match my vibe today of staying at home? Feeling very comfy, but I am going to go on a walk with Elsa because I have something at the post office. Yeah, I hope it's my coffee. Hi. Do you want to go on a walk? Oh no. Yesterday we got a toy for her and she knows exactly where it is. Do you want to go on a walk? This is my outfit of the day. H&M. I forget where these are from. Old Navy, I want to say. Some Nike sneaks. A doggo. Good girl. Hi. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But I do a little unboxing of my Nespresso because I got some really exciting things in this specific order. The aged Sumatra. Look at this packaging. This is also not sponsored. I very much wish that this was sponsored. I got the aged Sumatra. I think I'm gonna try this one actually. I love the packaging of it. Woody and spicy. It's a double espresso. So then I'm also going to, I also got the exotic Limina over ice, which I really want to try, but I don't have ice, so I would normally use it. Does it say directions or anything on? Lime and mint flavor. Stop. That sounds really good. Maybe I should make some ice. You know what? I am going to make some ice and then have that when I get home from dance. I got the Anisio, which is just a classic coffee. I also got the tropical coconut flavor over ice. Bianco Forte. Bunch of Intenso. And what I like doing is keeping the boxes because the way that they open, very clean. And you just keep it open like that. And then when you want to grab one, you just pop. So, oh my gosh, look at the packaging too. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to clean out my Nespresso. Look at how dirty it was. Note to self and note to all you guys, clean out your Nespresso. I also have to dust it because we have not used it in so long. Thank you. Do you want to do a twirl? No. What? Got that. I have it with me. Whoa. Okay, give me your finger. Yep. And you're just gonna. Whoa, no. You're gonna go like. Spin. Spin. Whoa. do love you. I'm having this one to go. I'm about to head to the dance studio, so I figured I'd use this cup. I haven't used it in years, and it comes with a tea steeper, but I'm gonna put my coffee in it. Where is it? Well, we got the bathtub. Wow. Are you happy we got a bath?
Yeah.
So the reason that you see me dancing so much in this particular vlog is because I was undecided whether or not I wanted to actually use a studio later on after I taught ballet to one of my students. And while I have days off from my non-dance job, I think it's essential to prioritize what I love, which is ballet and dancing. So I try to do that every single day that I have off. It's also my favorite way to exercise. Now, I didn't do a full ballet class when I was in the studio because I taught ballet and I felt pretty warm. So I just threw on my shoes and tried a couple things just to practice some pirouettes because I never get a chance to practice pirouettes at home, obviously, since I don't have the space to do so. And I thought about deleting all these clips of me trying and failing and failing and failing and failing, but then I thought, you know what? You guys always ask me, you know, tips for pirouettes, and I say later on in the vlog because I actually get a question from an Instagram follower. How do you perfect your pirouettes? And I say mine are not perfect, and this just goes to show my pirouettes are definitely not perfect. I have good turning days and I have bad turning days. Just practice, practice, practice obviously helps like everything. Guys, it is the next day. I got back late from work and then we had dinner and just relaxed the rest of the night. We watched Friends, but I figured before closing out the vlog, I asked you guys on my Instagram to throw me some ballet questions. So this will be a ballet oriented Q&A. First question, please tell us the secret of your perfect pirouettes. By no means are my pirouettes perfect. I just posted on TikTok the other day that I never finish them. I don't have perfect days. Nobody has perfect days. Nothing is perfect, but I do have some technique tips regarding pirouettes specifically. So definitely number one, finding your balance and practicing balance techniques and practicing like proprioception. Number two, having a very strong core. Number three, having really strong ankles. And number four, practice, practice, practice. Even though I find a lot of the time, the more I practice pirouettes, the worse they get. You're actually practicing muscle memory, even if you get more fatigued and tired, the longer you practice. Your muscles are the next day going to remember what you did right previous day because you kept practicing it. So practice, practice, practice. It is said that gainers are pre-broken in. Do you break them in or not at all? I don't break them in at all because they are pre-broken in and I want them to stay the least broken in the longest as possible, so I don't do anything to them. Are your eyes green? I think so. Have you ever cried on a ballet class? If so, what happened? I've cried many times in ballet class. I can't remember specifics, but I used to cry all the time. I'm a huge crybaby and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just an emotional person and I'm very sensitive. So when I don't get something right, I would just cry all the time. I cried like every day. How to break in new pointe shoes. I actually have a video on how I break in my pointe shoes. It's different for everybody, so I really recommend trying different things, seeing what works. I prefer to keep my shoes harder, longer, like I mentioned before. Try to keep my shank relatively healthy and not as broken in so that they can last longer because let's face it, they're expensive. Secondly, I do need to break in the box because I have really large bunions. So I do break those in with a little bit of water. For example, these pointe shoes you see, they're just a little bit bent at the 3/4 mark. They're pretty worn here because I have a big bunion and I need a little bit more space and a little bit more room to press up the demi-point and to have space for my big bones sticking out. Tips for building a tight tummy. I actually have a killer core workout on my YouTube channel that I posted last week, so I will link that in my description box. I have many other workouts on my YouTube channel. I think I have 50 videos now of just workouts, so definitely check that out. Tips for building a tight tushy, same thing. I've got workouts, follow those workouts. I am a certified personal trainer. Although doing these workouts will not make you look a specific way, it'll just help you be stronger, if that makes sense. You know, there's no such thing as fat targeting. It's more so gonna help you build strength than look a certain way, if that makes sense. How do you deal with bloating in ballet? If you struggle with this issue, I struggle with this a lot and everybody does. Like I mentioned in the previous Q&A, because I got a similar question about bloating, I just let it pass and I don't let it bug me anymore. It used to bug me a lot and I used to be really, really self-conscious, but now I just gonna pass. We're humans, we're going to grow, we're going to shrink, we're going to adapt to our circumstances. So I just let it pass, eat healthily, drink water. I know there are certain foods that kind of trigger bloatingness for me. So like eating a lot of fruits before ballet class, I'm gonna be full of water. I'm gonna retain that water. So I try to eat something that's a little bit more starchy, gonna give me more energy than like a watermelon, let's say. So playing around with different things, and everybody's different. Maybe if you have painful bloating, it's a food intolerance. So check with your doctor. If it's painful, it should not be painful. Nothing in life should be painful. Yeah. What's your favorite ballet painting and why? Greets from Bolivia. Wow, that's far. Ballet painting, definitely Degas. I can't think of a specific ballet painting that's my favorite. Probably, actually this isn't a painting, but I got to see the dancer, you know, the one where she's standing, the statue, in person, and that's probably one of my favorite art pieces. Can you get 200-degree extension? I'm trying to do the math. So 180's flat, 200's a little bit more. I cheat when I do it. I have to tilt my pelvis and tuck it under a bit, so I'm tilting. So if you were to see me from my side angle, I'm actually not flat because I don't have over splits in my middle splits. But yeah, that concludes all of the questions that I got until 10:51 today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks as always for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and happy dancing. Bye now.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over.